Greetings, fellow couponers and shoppers. This is Sunday, December 22nd. This is a combination run of both Kroger and a little bit of CVS. I went there. Rule number one: never go to the grocery store while you're hungry. I went there to get some more of this orange juice because it's even a better deal than it was Friday, and I came out with $13.63 worth of stuff. So anyway, this Smithfield. Let's forget this first since it's in the way. These anytime these are cubed hams. These are the little 8 ounces. They're two for $4, $2 a piece. So I got charged $6 for these, and I had an e-coupon for $3 off of 3 of them. So these ended up being just $1 a piece. I have 3 of those coupons on my card, and I was hoping, sometimes you get lucky and more than one will come off, but no, only one came off. So I can't complain. End up being $1 a piece. So what makes this better about the Florida's natural? They're still BOGO, and at my store they ring up one at $3.69 and the other at $0, but $3.69 for the 2 of them. And Ibotta still got $1 off of 2 rebate, and then Kroger CashBack came through with a $1 off of 2 CashBack. I did not see that Friday when I was looking for it while in the grocery store, so I think it just popped up either yesterday or today. So that makes them $1.69 for the 2 of them. Or what? Call it $1.70. What's that? About 85 cents for each one. And by the way, these have pretty good expiration dates. They must be chemical orange juice because these are March 4th. The ones I bought yesterday expired in February. So, and speaking of expiring, I had a 40 cents off of 3 onions e-coupon that was going to expire. So I picked up 3 of these red onions. They were 99 cents a pound minus the 40 cents, so it was 2 pounds worth there, $2. So that was $1.60 for the 3 onions. Now the Entenmann's minis, donuts, and some other stuff are part of the 3-day Friday, Saturday, Sunday sale. These were $1.99, and I wasn't going to get them. But, one of these impulse buys. But SavingStar comes to the rescue with the 75 cents off of 1 on the minis. So be careful of that. I don't think it's all the Entenmann's, and not all the Entenmann's in the store are part of the $1.99 3-day sale. So that's pretty much it for Kroger. Now on to CVS. From the magic coupon machine, I got absolutely nothing, which is no big surprise. I mean, I didn't even get the $1 instant coupon for $1 off of 2, Hershey singles. Didn't even get that. Well, that's what Kroger thinks. CVS, I guess, thinks of me. But these Reisens, these are normally $2.99, $3, and they were on sale this week, 2 for $3. I have no coupons, nothing special about them. I'll get back to that. This is one of the $1.88 candies that, and you get a $1 extra care back. So that ended up being the king size. So it ended up being just 88 cents. So anyway, what I was going to say is I found a recipe for these. These are just little individually wrapped caramel covered with chocolate is all they are. But I put them in sweet potato casserole. You know what? So what I did, I boiled a sweet potato like I normally do, and then I took a mixer to them, mix it all up, add whatever spices and whatnot, orange juice or whatever you want to, however you make your sweet potato casserole in a flat baking dish that's going to cook for a little longer. Then just unwrap these and submerge them down in there. Now I was afraid it was going to end up tasting yucky, so I only did 1/2 of it last time. So I bought some more sweet potatoes Friday. I'm going to do the whole thing again, and I'm going to load up with some of these because it came out pretty good. All right, kitty cats want something to eat, so I guess I better stop for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.